How to edit and change display date format on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it. First open your browser and then click this one here. First once you're here, click settings and now type time zone and then click on it here, and then once you're here all you need to do just click display date format, and if you want to change it just type anything you want, and that's it. Now click save, it will be saved, and go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.